Angels, this is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your you versus them for Taurus. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Taurus, this reading is for you. If you know a Taurus, you can cross watch it, friends. Do subscribe, Magic Vents Tarot. Do subscribe, friends, like and share, and click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. Whenever you come across this reading, it will help you out. Also, friends, you can cross watch this reading if you know a Taurus person. So yes, by any astrology you can watch this reading. So first we are going to see how Taurus you are feeling and how your person is feeling. You can also interchange if you feel this is their energy, this is your energy, so you can interchange, friends. For Taurus, how is Taurus currently? Wow, I got a card upside. See, very powerful, very confident, very successful Taurus. Wow, the Tower. Ooh, interesting mix, huh? Nine of Pentacles, the Tower. How is Taurus feeling currently? Six of Wands and the Seven of Wands. Let us see how your person is feeling, so I can talk then. How Taurus person is feeling currently. The Emperor, the Three of Wands, the Four of Cups, and the Ten of Cups. Wow, this is beautiful. Okay, I feel there is some issue that has happened in this connection, Taurus. I feel like you had a tower moment recently, some sudden news. Maybe it was a good news, maybe it was a bad news. I feel like it's like someone it's like some sudden happening that has happened. Maybe it was with work, maybe it was with something has happened related to work which is making you excited. I also see a forward progress coming. You are feeling like success is coming your way. Your focus is more on work. I also feel, Taurus, maybe an argument has happened in the past or maybe recently and you choose yourself. I also see that you are not ready to give up on this connection, Taurus. You don't want to give up on this connection. You want to fight this connection, whether even if though there is a fight or there is a misunderstanding happening, you are choosing yourself, but you still love this person. How is this person feeling? This person could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or this person could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces that you are dealing with. I feel this person is feeling very strong. They could be your co-worker, they could be someone, your colleague, your boss. I feel this person is quite feeling dominating, very confident, very bold. They also don't want to give up. They are feeling very egoistic. If they made a mistake, they don't want to say, yes, I made a mistake. They are like, no, I didn't make a mistake. That wasn't me. That wasn't me, baby. That wasn't me. That wasn't me, you know. This person is feeling, ooh, my way or the highway. My way or the highway. There's a song like that. Maybe there is. Three of Wands. This person is also trying to turn their back on you. Maybe they are not replying to your messages, or in the past they were not replying to your messages. They are keeping an eye on you, Taurus, this person, but they are pretending like they don't care. And also, this person feels they have missed an opportunity. It feels like whatever this tower movement that happened, it feels like they missed out on something and they are sorry for it. They feel like, they should have done something else. Then they could have had this 10 of cups of happiness. They also feel like, ooh, why this tower happened, why, that ways. They are still stalking your social media, but I think this person is like, nah, I don't care, I don't care about you, baby. So what Taurus wants in this connection to happen? Let's see that. What Taurus wants in this connection to happen. Wow, the King of Swords, communication. You want communications, you want responsibility. King of Rods, wow, you both are very powerful. You want balance and justice. You both are very dominating, Taurus. Maybe this person is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. They both are very, very dominating. What Taurus wants in this connection? Two of Cups. See, you see each other as ideal. Maybe it's a same-sex relationship for some of you. You want love, you want this partnership with them, you want this person to take responsibility, to communicate with you, to be honest with you. You want to bring you love this person's passionate energy. You kind of enjoy when this person is so dominating, so confident. I think you like that, Taurus. But you don't like when they don't communicate with you. You find it very frustrating when this person is like they are dominating, egoistic, fine. But when they don't communicate, they push away the communications, block you. That is when you start getting frustrated. That's when you are like, ooh. This, you want justice, you want balance in this connection, you want things to be balanced, you want marriage. It could be a same-sex relationship. You want this Two of Cups, equal give and take. I also feel maybe this is like, maybe some parent or some boss or someone else is affecting this relationship, like like your work, your religion could be affecting it, or maybe like your work is affecting it, or you both are married, so something is affecting this connection and you don't want that. What this person wants to happen in this connection with you? What Taurus person want in this connection to happen? Ten of Pentacles, Judgment, the Seven of Cups, and the Four of Swords. This person sees a future with you. They want to keep you for life. They want to protect you, dominate you. Not like dominate you, but like show off, Yeah, you are my pet, They want to protect you, dominate you. Not like dominate. It's not the right word. They want to show off to you, like, yeah, I own you, baby. You are mine. You are taken. They want marriage with you, absolutely. I also feel this person wants to tell you some truths, or they will be coming to some conclusions, some awakenings. Something is, they are a little confused about something in the future. They it's like they have a lot of options, or they have a lot of ideas about how this relationship can work. They have a lot of expectations, maybe because they are very dominating. They have maybe too many options. So they will be taking their time to come towards you or making a move, but they will definitely be getting the clarity and the message they need. They definitely want to spend their life or be in a relationship with you. They also want to clarify something they did in the past. So let's see, Taurus, what will actually happen in this connection with you. So what will actually happen in this connection between Taurus and this person? So this is how you feel, how they want, what you want, the way they want, but what will actually happen? So what will actually happen in this connection with Taurus? Wow, the Empress, the Knight of Swords, and the Three of Pentacles, the Knight of Rods. What will actually happen in this connection? The Ten of Wands. Yeah, I definitely feel that you both will work together on building this connection. You both, this is a very fated or destined connection, or a protected connection, You both need to find ways to work with each other, because this is a very nurturing connection. You both have the same at heart. You both want to protect each other, love each other. You both like your power and ego, and you in the future you might want to get married to this person, or they might marry you, or if they are married, they want to change that thing and tell you something. They want to tell you something. There is a chance of marriage, pregnancy, or talks about that. This person, you both will have to work with each other and adjust with each other. Taurus, you might have to This person, Taurus, you might have to be less judgmental on this person, and this person might have to be less egoistic. And you both need to step out of this overworked energy. And I think there will be a new start. Let's see what else. What will actually happen in this connection? Wow, chariot, forward progress, eight of swords, justice, definitely friends. Things are hard work that you have done. It will pay off. Justice will happen. Forward movement will happen in this connection. Definitely. Let's see what is the advice for you, Taurus. Joy and stability is coming for you, friends. Yes, 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 yes. Absolutely. Stay positive. There is nothing to worry about. You both are very strong, you know. If you hate this person's strength or ego, you are also the same, Taurus. Sorry to say, but yeah, that's how you both are coming right now. Focus on the joy, focus on the stability. Oops, that card went down. So take the lead, number 3. That was the master card. So, you know, this is the same actually. This is like take the lead, open your heart. You both need to open your heart, focus on the joy. That is, and this is 3-4. Let's see this. Number 1, strengthening bonds, the Ace of Wands. Yes, they're, you know, things are things are bound to get better for you. There is a lot of attraction, passion. Yeah, just focus on the heart energy, because you both are focusing on other things, awaiting results. Yeah, there will be some time, but it will take some time, but it will eventually get better for both of you. That's it for now, Taurus. Please do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share, and do let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com, friends, and join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye.